These are the Daily Tech headlines for Monday, November 4th, 2024. I'm Sarah Lane. Samsung has yet to offer the One UI 7.0 beta update, but last week it released the November 2024 security update to the Galaxy Tab S7 F3, and today it's released the update to the Galaxy S24. This applies to carrier-locked Galaxy S24s, 24 Plus, and 24 Ultra models in the US. This update, version S92XUSQS4AXJA, addresses multiple security vulnerabilities, but no real new features or performance improvements. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman sources say that Apple plans to release iOS 18.2 during the week of December 2nd, which would be earlier than expected. The update is set to include new Apple Intelligence features like ChatGPT integration, Genmoji, those are the emojis that you can create from your own prompts, and the Image Playground app. Support for non-American English is also expected. Future updates like iOS 18.4 are still expected in the spring, designed to enhance Siri's capabilities and expand Apple Intelligence support to European Union users as well. According to analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple has postponed the release of a more affordable version of its Vision Pro headset, possibly even until after 2027. The delay is said to be based on challenges in reducing production cost without compromising key features. The current Vision Pro model is $3,500 and was released to U.S. users on February 2nd and has entered other markets since. Kuo says the new information means Apple's only new head-mounted display device in 2025 may be the Vision Pro with an updated M5 processor. The Financial Times sources say Meta's plan to build a nuclear-powered AI data center in the U.S. has been halted due to the discovery of a rare bee species at the proposed site, plus various environmental and regulatory challenges. According to sources at an all-hands meeting last week, Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg told employees the company is exploring other carbon-free energy options and remains focused on leveraging nuclear power for its reliability in energy-intensive AI tasks. Amazon, Google, and Microsoft have all secured deals with nuclear power operators in the U.S. previously. The New York Times Tech Guild, which represents around 700 technical staff members, started a strike Monday, November 4th. The action is a day ahead of the U.S. presidential election and probably not coincidental. The Guild is asking for enhanced job security, equitable pay, and flexible remote work options. Times management said in an email to workers on Sunday it had offered a 2.5% annual wage increase, a minimum 5% pay increase for promotions, and a $1,000 ratification bonus. It also said that the company would maintain its current in-office work requirements of 2 days a week through June of 2025, but employees could work fully remotely for 3 weeks per year. A recent leak revealed by ex-user Richard_Miller says the Tensor G5 that people stumbled upon on Geekbench 6 recently was actually the Pixel 9's Tensor G4, but sporting a different configuration. The G5 was thought to be a new chipset initially, so for those who were hopeful, the Tensor G5 appears to not be much of an upgrade from its predecessor. This has raised some questions about Google's future plans for its chip development and what improvements might be expected in upcoming devices. Social Network X has updated its block feature, now letting users who have been blocked still see public posts from the account that blocked them. The company says this is meant to create a more open environment for discourse, with blocked users still being able to engage with content without direct interaction with that person who blocked them. The update has mixed reactions. Some users appreciate the transparency, others obviously concerned about privacy implications. And finally, shout out to mathematicians. Luke Durant, a 36-year-old former NVIDIA programmer, has found the largest prime member ever known, M136279841. That's just the name of the number, expressed as 2 to the 136,279,841 to 1, contains 41,024,320 digits. Durant did this as part of the Great Internet Mersenne Prime Search, or GIMPS project, which employs distributed computing to identify such primes. The previous record holder had 24,862,048 digits. So you already know this because you're tech folks, but a prime number is a whole number that can only be divided by 1 and itself, like 2, 3, 5, and 7. Congratulations to you, Luke Durant. For more discussion of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. You can find show notes and links to all these headlines there as well. If you enjoy the show, remember to tell a friend to check it out. I'm Sarah Lane, and we will talk to you next time.